I'm Pam. I recently purchased a Volkswagen Caddy Kombi to use in my transport company for transporting people with disabilities in the Neisner-Plettenberg Bay and Garden Route area. The wheelchair service is a need with the growing number of retirement villages and people that are disabled, dependent on wheelchairs. There's no facility in the Garden Route. I chose the VW Caddy Kombi because I think it's one of the safest cars on the road. The service is incredible, and it is important to me to have a solid and dependable car. So we decided to go the VW Caddy Kombi route. The floor of the Caddy is lowered when they install the kit in the car, so it's ample room for a tall person in a wheelchair without bumping their head. I do enjoy driving the Caddy. It's very comfortable. It's a smooth drive. It's very easy to drive. It's got good visibility, very few blind spots, good storage above the driver's seat, everything at your fingertips, hands-free. That's what makes it a perfect car for my business.
Nice. Very nice.